Okay, so practice problem 2. Let's see how you did. Let's annotate. So we've got a crate. There's 20 bricks. That'll be 167 pounds. The same crate with 32 bricks is 191 pounds. This question's a little different. It's asking how much for 19 bricks. Okay, same steps. So step 1, what are my ordered pairs? So I have 20 and 167, and I have 32 and 191. So this is my x1, y1, x2, y2. And I'm just going to go ahead and label it. These are my bricks, and this is my weight, just so it's easier for me to label it later. So that's step 1. I'm going to do step 2 down here. So now I'm going to find my rate of change. I'm going to do y2, which is 191, minus y1, which is 167, and then divided by x2, which is 32, minus x1, which is 20. So this gives me 24 over 12, which gives me 2 over 1. What does the 2 stand for? That would be pounds. Brick. So each brick weighs 2 pounds. That's important to know. So if I want to know the weight of the crate with 19 bricks, I still have to know how much the crate weighs by itself, right? And then I can add the weight of 19 bricks. That's one way. There's a much faster way, but we're going to do it this way first. So step 3. How much is just the crate? Well, I can take 167 pounds and subtract the weight of 20 bricks. That's 40 pounds because 20 times 2 is 40. So that would be 7. So it looks like the crate weighs 127 pounds on its own. So for 19 pounds, I'm going to do the crate plus 19 bricks. Each brick weighs 2 pounds, so that's 38. So with 19 bricks, it weighs 165 pounds. Now, there's a much, much faster way to do this. If you look at the table I created, this is for the weight of 20 bricks. So if I want to get to 19 bricks, I can just count backwards by 1. So I can do 19 bricks, and then I will subtract just 1 brick. How much is 1 brick? 2 pounds. So 167 minus 2 is 165. Maybe you noticed that, but if not, you can always just go through the steps of finding what is the weight of the thing by itself, and then you add however many of the things you want. So in our case, the thing was the crate. The crate was 127 pounds. I wanted to add 19 bricks to get the crate weighs 167 pounds with 19 bricks. That's the great thing about math. There's a lot of different ways to get to the correct answer. I think the table way is fast, but you might not always notice it, right? So whichever way you get there, that's the correct answer. One more problem. It's a bit of an extension, so think about it. You can definitely solve it using the same steps.